Hey guys, welcome back. This is LEENA and this is a requested video. A lot of y'all asked me how to get rid of dark underarms, these dark knuckles or your elbow. So I have this amazing hack for you. All you need is baking soda and lemon. So this is baking soda. I have about 1 tablespoon of baking soda. And I've used it a lot of times in a lot of my videos. I know you guys called me crazy and y'all thought, it's not good for your skin. But guys, trust me, this really works. And then you take half a lemon and then you add this to the baking soda. Now mix it really well. Apply this on your knuckles or elbows. And you can also apply it on your underarms as well. So baking soda gets rid of all the dirt, excess oil, and it also whitens your skin. So just leave it for about 5 minutes and then you rinse it off. Also, if you're not your skin is very sensitive and baking soda doesn't suit you, just apply very little amount on your knuckle or anywhere on your skin. See if there's no irritation, then you can apply it. So guys, I'll just keep it for about 5 minutes and rinse it off. And if you guys have any more tips or any other ideas to get rid of tan or get rid of dark spots, just let me know in the comment section below. And my Instagram account is LEENA GOWDA official, and for Foxy it's Foxy Makeup Tips. Go follow me there, and I will see you soon guys. Bye. Hey guys, welcome back. This is LEENA. So today I'm going to talk about 2 major hair removal methods, which is waxing and shaving. So there's a huge discussion. A lot of people comment about waxing, a lot of people talk about shaving, and there's so much misconception and there's so much discussion about this thing. So today I'm going to talk about how waxing is done. So waxing is you just take the wax and apply it on your skin, and then you remove it, and the hair comes out from your root, from your follicle, and that is called waxing. While shaving exfoliates your skin. There's a blade which removes the hair and it just cuts the hair from the upper layer, doesn't remove it from the roots. So waxing is good for people who don't have sensitive skin, and who can take the pain. And waxing goes on for about 1 to 2 weeks. Your hair doesn't grow that quickly, whereas while shaving depends on your hair growth. It grows quickly in it could be from 2 to 4 days depending on your hair growth. Now shaving is also good because it exfoliates your skin, so all the dirt and dust and everything comes out when you're shaving, while waxing removes the top layer of your skin. Sometimes people who have sensitive skin could get boils and rashes. Me personally, I have started shaving. Earlier I used to wax my hands, but then I've started shaving because I have a lot of chicken skin here. This is caused because of waxing. So it depends on people, how you want and how your skin type is. So I would recommend people who have really sensitive skin go for shaving, because it really exfoliates your skin, and you won't have any rashes, and you won't have any boils, etc. Waxing is good for people who don't have any sensitive skin issues, who are lucky, who can just go ahead get waxing done. But again, the problem with waxing is you have to wait for an entire week, 2 weeks to a month for your hair to grow again, and then you have to wax. While shaving can be done in any time, any day, whenever you feel there's a little bit hair growth, you can just shave. You don't have to wait for a particular period of time. So these are 2 main discussions. Depending on your skin type, you all can choose either waxing or shaving. I personally shave my hands because that's what I feel is better. And you have all these cool shaving things Venus has a really good exfoliating, plus you have the soap kind of thing which has you can easily shave, and it also makes your skin really soft. So I prefer shaving. waxing is also good. It removes the top layer, so if you have a lot of tan, that gets rid of that, so that's also good. So here are my 2 ways, and I've spoken about, you know, what is good, what is bad, whatever works for your skin, you all should try it. I think you should try both, and whichever is good for you. If you can't take the pain, then don't do waxing. And you know, if you your hair growth is not much, and you could go ahead and do waxing. If you have any other tips, or if you have any other questions, let me know in the comment section below. And also, I'm on Instagram, guys, so why don't you follow me there? It's called LEENA GOWDA Official. It's my official Instagram account. Follow me there, and I will see you next time. Bye, guys.